Hi, welcome to ShowMeTheCurry.com. I'm Anuja, and as you notice, Hetal is not here due to the social distancing and our being quarantined, but the show must go on. So we have something a little different for you today. So I'm going to show you how to make just a little vegetable, Asian style vegetable stir fry. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it over here, and then I'm going to go drop it off at Hetal's house, and she's going to try it out, and she will let you know what she thinks of it. So it's a very easy recipe, and I'm trying to use up some of the greens and the fresh vegetables I have in my house, and it's a very you can easily change things around and use whatever you have. It's a quick stir fry, so you have to get everything prepped before you get to the stove. So let me show you. I have got everything prepped. I have 1 cup of broccoli cut to florets and soaked in hot water for just 2 minutes and then drained out and just put cold water over it. I have a small onion chopped. I have 2 bok choy that I've cut. Now, anytime that you're cutting bok choy or using bok choy like this, the leafier part you cut a little bigger and the stems part you cut a little thinner. So that way you get the crunch and it's not too big a piece to bite into. Cut jalapenos, of course, to taste. I've got half a cup of peanuts. Now you can use cashews if you like, or just peanuts, or combine the two. Either way is fine, or walnuts, whatever you prefer. And over here I have bell peppers. I had half of a bunch of bell pepper colors and it worked out really good. And then of course I have 1 8-ounce container of mushrooms, portobello bay mushrooms that I've just cut up. 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic minced. And over here I've pre-mixed the sauce. It's 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon water or stock, 1 tablespoon sriracha or any kind of hot chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and I've just mixed it well. As you notice, I have all my ingredients close by on hand, so that way I'm not reaching out. So I have 2 tablespoons of oil heating up on high heat. So the Asian style stir fry is ready. I'm gonna go share some with Hetal. Of course, there's gonna be social distancing, so I'm not gonna meet her. I'm gonna drop it off at her door and she will open it up. And she'll let you know her verdict. So over to you, Hetal. Enjoy.
And like a good neighbor, here she is. Georgia. All right, let's see what she brought. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. Looks delicious. Wow. Look at that. Let's give this a try. It was so good. Vegetables are just crispy, just right. Peanuts, the sesame seeds. Super delicious. Thank you so much, Indo. 2 thumbs up from me. So we're doing our best in these times of self-containment, self-quarantine, and the show must go on, so this is how we're gonna do it, but I can't tell you how nice it is to have a neighbor who can cook so well and bring us this amazing food. So if you like recipes like this, please subscribe to the channel and ring that little bell so you'll be the first to know every time we post a new recipe. And if this looks delicious to you, give it a big thumbs up and let us know in the comments below what you're doing in these troubled times. So join us again on another episode of ShowMeTheCurry.com, adding a pinch of spice to your life.